Hello everyone, this is Srivatsa. A new study has revealed that over 6 lakh people have been infected with Covid-19 in Hyderabad. This study was done by CCMB and IICT. CCMB stands for Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology and IICT stands for Indian Institute of Chemical Technology. Both the institutions are based in Hyderabad. Now, sewage or wastewater samples were collected from major sewage treatment plants in the city for the study. Let us see how this study was actually conducted. How can sewage help us estimate COVID-19 spread? Individuals who are infected by SARS-CoV-2 shed virus not only through nasal and oral routes but also through feces. Feces is the human waste. The SARS-CoV-2 in sewage samples is non-infectious, thus making the sewage samples suitable for epidemiological studies. An infected person sheds viral material in fecal samples for up to 35 days. So the study, which has revealed that 6 lakh people have been infected in Hyderabad, this study is estimating the number of infected people over the last 1 month. This study is for just 1 month. Okay, so please remember that point. How was the study done? It is estimated that 1800 million liters of water is used daily in Hyderabad. Out of this 1800 million liters, only 40% of the sewage is processed by the sewage treatment plants. Sewage samples from major sewage treatment plants was collected to study the presence of the viral RNA material. Please remember that an infected person sheds the viral material through the fecal route also. The study covered 80% of the sewage treatment plants in the city and found that 2 lakh people are shedding the viral RNA. Now, the study was covering only 40% of sewage in the city. If we extrapolate it to 100% of sewage in the city, then we end up with a figure of over 6 lakh infections. So please remember that the entire sewage of Hyderabad has not been sampled. The sampling is only for 40% of the sewage that comes out in the city of Hyderabad. What are the findings of the study? It is found out that a large proportion of the affected individuals are asymptomatic and did not need hospitalization. Now, asymptomatic means that a person who is carrying the virus does not show any symptoms. This is a bit of a worry because if a person who is suffering with the disease and he is not showing any symptoms, he goes out, then he would be infecting other people. So what is the solution for it? The only solution is to test a large percentage of the city's population. Testing has to be done. There is only one mantra, which is test, test and test. What is the use of such studies? Now, these studies could be carried out in coordination with the civic bodies, in this case the municipalities, and these studies could identify the hotspots in the city and thereby they could monitor the dynamics of the infection rate also. So these studies are important to identify the hotspots. For example, if you take a particular locality, you could simply study the sewage samples of that particular locality and find out the viral load in the sample. If the viral load in the sample is very high, then most of the population in that area is infected. If it is low, then the population is not infected. This is how you could identify the hotspots in a particular in the city. Okay, and such studies can assist the system, in this case the administration, in taking the necessary steps. Once you identify the hotspot, it becomes very easy for the government to go for testing and to isolate the people who are infected. Okay, so this is how the study actually helps the civic bodies.